So we can start the meeting.
Okay. Record is started. Can we start the meeting, sir? Chairman, sir?
Yes, we just need all the panelists to mute themselves, please, before that.
Should I start? Yes. We welcome all the members who have logged in and declare that required quorum is present. The company has arranged participation at the AGM through VC or OAVM facility, remote e-voting process by accessing the website evotingindia.com and log in by using your user ID and password. All instructions for participation and e-voting are given in the notice for 116th AGM. Advertisement in pre-press and Now Shakti before dispatch of mail and after dispatch were published on 1st September 2020 and 6th September 2020 respectively. Now I request Chairman Sir to welcome the members and introduce directors on the board.
Good morning. Dear fellow shareholders, I welcome you all to the 116th Annual General Meeting of the company. I hope your family members and yourself are keeping safe during COVID-19. Before starting the meeting, I would like to introduce to you my colleagues on the board. Kushal Thakasi, Executive Director, Mr. Abhimanyu Thakasi, Director, Mr. Sujal Shah, Independent Director, Mr. Bhavesh Panjwani, Independent Director, Dr. Ashok Desai, Independent Director, Mr. Amol Vora, Independent Director, Mrs. Geeta Palan, Independent Director, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, CEO, Mr. Kaushik Kapasi, Company Secretary, Mrs. Shraddha Shettigar, CFO, and Mr. Mukul Patel, Auditor. The directors report and audited accounts for the year ended 31st March 2020 have been sent to you, and I am sure you must have gone through the same. The revenue from operations of the company for the financial year 2019-20 was rupees 141 crores as compared to rupees 162.43 crores during the previous year. The textile and engineering businesses suffered substantial loss of sales during the end of the financial year in March due to adverse conditions resulting from the COVID lockdown. Sales had already begun to slow down from the beginning of the month of March as a result of the negative sentiments due to the corona pandemic. This, along with lower realization per meter of textile fabric sold during the year, were the main reasons which contributed to a drop in total revenue of nearly rupees 21.36 crores during the year as compared to the previous year. The textile division's sales and realization per meter were lower by 4% and 9% respectively during the year as compared to the previous year. While the third quarter was better as compared to the first two quarters, in view of the reduction in prices of raw materials, the position deteriorated again in the fourth quarter due to adverse market sentiments in view of COVID-19 and the lockdown from March 20 to 2020. The engineering division also registered a lower turnover compared to the previous year as it lost out on year-end business resulting from the impact of COVID-19 and lockdown from March 20 to 2020. The division was able to retrieve the situation to some extent by continuing to focus on development of new products and efforts to obtain export orders from Bangladesh, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. It obtained and serviced its first order from Australia during the year. The engineering business is relatively promising and should be able to get through the current challenging environment. The liquidity situations in the textile markets continue to be tight following the effects of poor market condition. The delay in receipt of capital subsidy under the TUF scheme and interest subsidy on capital investment in spite of regular follow-up is adding further to working capital woes of companies like ours. However, I am happy to inform you that your company became a debt-free company on October 1 to 2019 with the last installment of repayment of principal and interest on term loans in September. All monthly installments of term loan repayments were paid on time and we never defaulted on a single installment. In view of the losses incurred during 2019-20, the directors regret their inability to declare any dividend during the year. The company is planning to move from commodity products to value-added non-apparel textile products. In short terms, the company aims to concentrate on export of cotton textiles and change its focus to value-added functional textiles where margins are better. The performance of the company during the financial year 2020-21 is expected to be poor due to COVID conditions, and the company will try to stabilize in 2021-22. However, I would like to assure you that our team is doing its best to overcome the current challenging environment and to a brighter future. I would like to convey my sincere appreciations to the employees of our company for their valuable contribution. I would also like to thank our auditors, solicitors, and bankers. On behalf of shareholders, I am also grateful to the board of directors for their support and guidance, and I look forward to their continuous support and best wishes. Thank you.
Mr. Kapasi, you are muted. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah. With your consent, we take the notice as read. Members attending the AGM who have not casted their vote by remote e-voting can cast their vote through e-voting during the AGM accessing e-voting website evotingindia.com. There are qualifications, observations, or comments in the audit report, and I read as under. Basis for qualified opinion. In respect of non-compliance with certain provisions of the Act or Securities SEBI LODR regulation to the extent stated below. 1. The company has transferred an amount of rupees 0.92 lakhs and rupees 1.46 lakhs for the financial year 2010-11 and 2011-12 respectively to IEPF and filed necessary forms. However, pursuant to the provisions of section 124(6), read with rule 6 of the rules, the company has not transferred all shares, including the benefits on such shares, in respect of which dividend has not been paid or claimed for 7 consecutive years or more in the name of IEPF, and necessary forms have not been filed with the respective authorities. Thus, there is non-compliance of the provision of Section 124 and other relevant provisions of the Companies Act 2013. The company has initiated the process for compliance of the said provisions of the Act 2013 read with these rules. Number 2. The company has not filed Form MGT 14 for appointment of Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of the company and thus violated the provision of Section 179(3) of the Companies Act 2013 read with its relevant rules. However, the company has filed Form DIR 12 for the said appointment. Number 3. There was delay in appointment of a qualified company secretary and compliance officer of the company as per the requirements of Regulation 6(1) of SEBI LODR 2015, and BSE Limited has levied a penalty of Rs 23,600 and the same has been paid by the company. There are 5 resolutions to be voted at the AGM. First resolution pertains to the adoption of audited financial statement of the company for the financial year ended March 31st, 2020, together with the reports of directors and auditors thereon. Second resolution pertains to appointment of Mr. Chandras Thakursi as a director who retired by rotation and being eligible offers himself for reappointment. Third resolution pertains to appointment of Mr. Abhimanyu Thakursi as a director liable to retire by rotation and eligible for reappointment. Fourth resolution pertains to appointment of Mrs. Geeta Palan as an independent director for a period of 5 years. Fifth resolution pertains to ratification of remuneration of Mr. Pranav J. Tarlekar, cost accountant, the cost auditor. Now I request CDSL to allow the speaker, Mr. Gautam Tiwari. Hetal, please allow the speaker.
Yes, sir.
Gautam Tiwari, yeah.
Yes, sir. Give
He
me
is
a minute.
present. He is present. Gautam Tiwari.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible, sir? Gautam Tiwari here.
Yes, sir.
And am I, sir, am I visible and
Yeah, we
audible?
can see, but yeah, we can hear you. Yes.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Go ahead,
Okay,
sir. Please go ahead.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, Honorable Chairman, sir, my good day, rather good afternoon to all my well-distinguished, esteemed, eminent directors on board, Hindustan Mills team, and fellow shareholders. Sir, my name is Gautam Tiwari, a member of your company from generation to generation, and still a member, and attending this virtual AGM from Mumbai. Sir, this is the 116th AGM of our company. So first of all, I would really like to congratulate you कि हमारी कंपनी के 100 सालों के बाद में भी आज भी कंपनी इतनी अच्छी तरीके से टिकी हुई है और अच्छी तरीके से एग्जिस्ट करेगी। और इतना अच्छा लगा जब आपने बताया कि हमारी कंपनी डेट फ्री हो गई है राइट फ्रॉम 1 अक्टूबर 2019 से। तो ये सबसे बड़ी बात है कि हम लोग डेट फ्री हो गए। अब इसके बाद में काफी उम्मीद की जा सकती है कि आगे हम बेहतर परफॉर्मेंस और बेहतर सब कुछ कर पाएंगे। हमने बहुत अच्छे दिन देखे इस कंपनी के साथ में, तो वो दिन हमें जरूर वापस मिलेंगे। सर, I would really like to thank our CFO, our MD, our CEO, our CS. I would like to, sir, here I must mention that I welcome our CS Kaushik Tapasi ji, जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा हमें सहयोग प्रदान किया वर्चुअल एजीएम अटेंड करने के लिए और हमें लिंक देके, और हम जब भी हमें जरूरत लगी उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी इन्वेस्टर केयर सर्विस दी after his appointment here, for which we are thankful to him. And sir, secretarial department, I am especially thankful, as I said, to our MD, CEO, CFO, CS, and the full secretarial and finance team and the entire board of management for delivering this saal. Because of COVID, the performance was poor, otherwise it would have been certainly fair. So for हिम्मत के साथ में, जोशीला परफॉर्मेंस देने के साथ में, डिस्पाइट दिस dreaded COVID pandemic period, we are really कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट एंड वी वुड बी थैंकफुल। हम अभिनंदन करते हैं अपने मैनेजमेंट की, काफी हिम्मत, मेहनत और साहस के साथ में डटे हुए हैं सर, फॉर विच वी आर प्राउड। सर हमारी कंपनी ने सर हाउ मच कंट्रीब्यूटेड टू पीएम केयर्स फंड बिसाइड्स, ये जो कोविड पैंडेमिक में हमारी सेवाएं जो डायरेक्ट अगर हम लोगों ने की हैं, तो उसके अलावा पीएम केयर्स फंड में अगर कुछ हम लोगों ने सहयोग दिया तो बताइएगा। और सर हम उसके बाद में one more thing I have observed कि the company must have really worked hard to identify the areas and projects for CSR activities which are beneficial to the public at large. This is what we have been doing all the while during our process of working. Sir, I would like to know, because of COVID, have we retrenched any employee? एंड सर हमारे एम्प्लॉय में से किसी को अगर कोविड हुआ है तो उसका स्टेटस को आज क्या है, वी वुड लाइक टू नो। एंड सर ये चैलेंजेस अभी आई एम वेरी हैप्पी सर, आपने कम से कम इतनी हिम्मत जुटाकर जरूर हमसे कहा, ऑल दो परफॉर्मेंस पुअर है, नो डिविडेंड नो प्रॉब्लम सर, हमें आप पर पूरा आप इतना कॉन्फिडेंस और भरोसा और ट्रस्ट और फेथ है और पूरा सपोर्ट है कि आप हमेशा शेयर होल्डर के, इन्वेस्टर के हित में ही काम करते रहे और आगे भी करते रहेंगे, इसका हमें पूरा भरोसा है सर। तो इसके लिए हम आपको आपके साथ में हमेशा थे सर, आपकी दीर्घायु की कामना करते हुए, आपको हेल्दी वेल्दी लाइफ की कामना करते हुए और ब्राइट और शाइनिंग फ्यूचर की कामना भी करते हैं आपके लिए और हमारी कंपनी के लिए। और हमने इन फेवर ऑफ ऑल द रेजोल्यूशंस वोट किया है, जब तक हमारी जान में जान है हम जरूर आपके साथ में हमेशा हैं और रहेंगे सपोर्ट के साथ। और सर सभी फेस्टिवल सर फिजिकल मिलन में तो बहुत अच्छी बात होती थी सर, लेकिन फिर भी आपको हेल और हार्टी देखकर फिर भी संतोष हो रहा है कि हम आपसे इस तरीके से तो मिले, क्योंकि जो बात तुझ में है वो तेरी तस्वीर में नहीं, कुछ स्लोगन सही लगता है सर इस वक्त। और सर हम लोगों को ये हाँ सर वर्चुअल एजीएम में हम लोगों ने कितनी बचत की, इफ आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, और हमारा कॉस्ट ऑफ होल्डिंग अभी क्या है, और बाकी सारे त्योहारों की शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ में हमेशा है, हमेशा थी, हमेशा रहेंगी सर। और कंपनी को सर हम बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाओं के साथ विश करते हैं और आने वाले अच्छे दिनों की उम्मीद करते हैं आप सबके लिए और कंपनी के लिए भी। और इसी के साथ में सभी त्योहारों की शुभकामनाओं के साथ में बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Now I request another speaker, Mr. Beruz. Ethel, Beruz is there?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, give me a minute.
Yeah.
Our respected Chairman Chandrahas Thakursi and our Honorable Company Secretary Kaushik Kapasi. Sir, we are very grateful to the Company Secretary because he has allowed us to join. At the last moment we came to know because our email was not activated. We are very happy that the company is doing such well and it has become debt free, and there are 5 resolutions and all the 5 resolutions we are supporting, and we wish our company secretary all the very best. Sir, I hand over the next speaker, Mayun Puradei.
Yes, sir. So we are very old shareholders of your company. Every year we have been attending your AGM, your physical AGMs. So and today we miss that very much. We would need everybody, all the board members, the chairman, entire Thakursi family. So today we are really missing that. We are taken for granted all these things. So now, yeah. And also thanks to Mr. Sujal Shah. So he connected us to the company, and thanks to our company secretary, Mr. Kapasi, who guided us, and we came to the speakers registration platform. So now, sir, why you had to pay 33,000? I know you, as a penalty you were made, but it takes time to get a good company secretary. They are not available immediately. So once the SEBI and all, they should be practical in their approach. Practical is the main basis to adopt. After finally, a company secretary was appointed. When you are on the lookout for a company secretary, it does take time to appoint. So we did not like this behavior of the authorities, of SEBI. Hope good sense prevails, and they take a practical approach in anything. So we are very proud our company is going to be debt free. So proud. Acha, sir, I heard from 1st October, so I may be wrong in hearing. And we have visited your plant. We liked it very much. So our thoughts were to your plants during this lockdown. So we know that this is not the essential services. So we are very concerned about your plant. So was it lockdown? Was it shut down during the lockdown? We want to know. And so now, is it running to full capacity? So, but then have we to maintain social distancing? So, of course, our plant is very big. There is no such problem. So, we just want you to tell us about the plant. So, have you to employ less employees? So then that will be not practical to run the factory, if less employees appointed. So being lay people, we would like to have some knowledge about the latest situation about the working of our plant. So I don't want to take more time. We have already heard your speech. We are supporting auto resolutions. Of course, we want the company to do very well. We are proud of our company. It's such an old company, and we wish our company all the best. And thank you once again to the company secretary and Mr. Sujal Shah for putting us into the speakers platform. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. All speakers have attended. May I request Mr. Rajiv Ranjan to reply?
Very good afternoon to everybody and the shareholders attending the meeting. We value your presence, and I'll try my best to answer the questions that you have given in your speech. गौतम तिवारी जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. मैं इंग्लिश में बात करूं कि हिंदी में चलेगा?
Sir, he won't be able to listen now.
Acha, he won't. Okay, any case, I think for the benefit of everybody, I will continue to speak in English. Thank you, Gautam Tiwari ji, for your very kind words. To answer your questions in terms of CSR activities of the company, we will get back in detail separately. And as for the PM Cares Fund, although we have not donated directly to the PM Cares Fund, there is a lot of social work that we have done in and around the plant of Karad, which we will get back to you in detail. In your question about retrenching of employees, I am happy to inform everybody that we have not retrenched a single employee as a result of the COVID pandemic. So all the employees are continuing as before. As far as any COVID cases are concerned, yes, we have had one case of a staff member who turned COVID positive, but he has recovered fully. So no adverse sickness or illness on account of COVID. I think the precautions that the plant has been taking has been commendable. And as a result of that, all the employees continue to work as before. I hope this answers all your questions, Gautam Tripathi ji. As far as the questions by Mr. Behrooz and Mrs. Behrooz is concerned, we again thank you for your kind words, and we hope that you will continue to support us in future. You have raised a question about the delay in the appointment of company secretary. This delay happened because we were waiting for the right candidate actually, and we just did not want to appoint anybody. And I'm sure that in Mr. Kapasi, we have been able to find the right candidate. As far as the plant visit is concerned, we can look at the plant visit once the COVID pandemic is over. As far as the lockdown is concerned, yes, as a part of the government regulation, we had to shut the plant on the 22nd of March 2020. But we started our efforts to start the plant at the earliest, and we were able to get permission on the 8th of May to start the plant, and the plant has been working since. Unfortunately, we are not able to run the plant at full capacity because the demand in the market is very slack, and the plant is running at about 30 to 35% capacity currently. And we will ramp it up as soon as the market conditions improve. You must have seen the video where we are taking care of social distancing and all other measures in terms of disinfecting the plant and all other measures that are required at the plant. And this has resulted in minimizing the COVID sickness of the employees. We've just had one case, as I told you earlier. I hope this also answers your question about the latest situation of the plant working. I think that covers everything. And if there's anything else, you are welcome to contact Mr. Kapasi, and we'll be glad to respond to your questions. Thank you. Mr. Kapasi, you can take over now.
Yeah. Sir, may I request Chairman sir to announce conclusion of the meeting? Meeting is Chandas bhai.
Okay, I would thank everyone, and I would announce the meeting to conclude. Thank you very much.
One announcement I can make. The members who have not casted their votes through remote e-voting can vote within 15 minutes of the conclusion of the AGM. So this meeting is concluded, but voting can be done up to 15 minutes. Further 15 minutes. Thank you all. Thank you all, sir.
Thank you all.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Meeting is over, madam.
Should I stop the recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
everyone. Yeah.
Thanks.